Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube monetization rejection. So if your YouTube channel got rejected from monetization, just follow along. First, open YouTube Studio on your phone or browser and then go to the monetization section. There you can check the exact reason why your application was rejected. Most of the time it happens because of reused content, low quality content, or not following YouTube monetization policies. Next, go to your videos and remove or edit any content that may not be original. Try to focus on original videos, voiceovers, and proper editing instead of reused clips. After that, improve your channel quality by uploading more consistent and valuable content. You can also reapply after 30 days, so use that time to fix your content strategy. And make sure your channel meets the requirement, at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or short eligibility. If you believe the rejection was a mistake, you can appeal through YouTube Studio if the option is available. So those are the best ways to fix YouTube monetization rejected. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.